Here's how to book a hotel in Bali on booking.com. First, open up any web browser and go to booking.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, on the main search bar, you want to type in Bali, or you can also search for any specific neighborhood. Now, you want to select the check-in and check-out dates, then enter the number of guests. Now, tap on search. You're going to find different property options over here. If you want to apply filters, you can tap on filter. Now go ahead and select your preference over there. Now tap on the show results option. If you want to sort the results, you can tap on sort and sort it using price, lowest first or highest first, or you can also sort using the reviews. Now find the property that you want. Then tap on it to view more details. Here, check out the facilities and reviews. Once you're happy, tap on the reserve for tonight option. Now select a room and tap on reserve. Then tap on next step. On the next page, you will have to enter all of your information such as email address, phone number, address. Then you want to tap on to the final step. On this page, you will have to enter your payment details. So go ahead and enter your card number, expiry date and CVC. Then tap on complete booking. Once your booking is done, you should receive a confirmation via email. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.